Hello students, this is question number 17th of IOQM 2025 and 26. And the question here it says that if fx and gx be the two polynomials of degree 2, such that f of minus 2 by g of minus 2 and f of 3 by g of 3 and both the values are becoming equal to 4. If g of 5 is 2, f of 7 is 12 and g of 7 is minus 6, then the value of f of 5 is. Now, I'm going to consider an equation h of x that we can call it equal to fx minus 4 times of g of x. Now this equation will be having a roots as equal to minus 2 and 3. So if this equation is having the roots as minus 2 and 3, then I can write that f of x minus 4 times of gx can be written equal to a times of x plus 2 into x minus 3. Now substitute x is equal to 7. So I can write that f of 7 minus 4 times of g of 7. This is going to be equal to a times of this 7. This is 9. And this 7, this is going to be equal to 4. So f of 7 value they have already mentioned. This is 12. And g of 7 is minus 6. So from here, I can see the value of a is going to be equal to 1. So from here, I got that f of x is going to be equal to 4 times of gx plus x plus 2 into x minus 3. Now, this is the final equation we got. Now, I need to find the value of f of 5. So, substitute x value is equal to 5. Then in that case, this f of 5 will become equal to 4 times of g of 5 plus this is 5 into 2, 7, and this is 2. So, this is going to be equal to 4 times of g of 5. This is equal to 2 plus 7 into 2. So this is going to be equal to 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 into 2 is 22. Therefore, the value of f of 5 will be equal to 22, and the same is being mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.